This video will help you create a query in Aeries to get your students' Google login information. Once logged into Aeries, scroll down to where you see Query. Click on Query to open a new section. From here, you can type in or choose this information from down below. You will need List to create a list of your students. You want it to be under Stu, which is right here. Once you click on Stu, a new section of fields will open up here where you can either type in their FN for first name, SEM for their student email, and ID for their permanent 9-digit ID, or you can click on them to choose them here. The order that they are listed in here is the order that they will be in your table. Once you have those three sections chosen, you can go ahead and hit Run. At this point, it will do a little bit of gathering of information and open a new window for you. Once that new window is open, you can go ahead and copy and paste that into any other word processing document that you choose. And at that point, you would be able to edit size or fonts, even the column size if you wanted to. So if something is cut off, you could make another column smaller and make that one larger to be able to see all of the information that's needed to give to your students.